morning, maulang morning, maulang morning. Uy, I thought you're going to go to your work, Parwes Alam. It's okay, you need to rest. It's okay. I will just need to finish this one, 30 minutes more and I'm done. Okay, so, thank you for coming back though. I know you're so busy. Hello guys! Salamat po sa mga nanonood. I will be practicing this one. Yes. Thank you, thank you. I bless